Welcome to the tutorial on how to use manual and autofocus settings on the Nikon D750. Let's dive in. 1. Introduction. On the front of the camera, locate the small lever to switch between autofocus and manual settings. Toggle between autofocus and manual focus using this lever. The central button allows adjustment of different autofocus settings. 2. Accessing autofocus settings. Turn on the camera and press the info button on the back to access important information, including autofocus options. While in autofocus mode, press the button on the front to reveal two lines: AF area mode and focus mode. 3. Adjusting autofocus modes. Use the back dial to adjust focus mode and the front dial to change autofocus area mode. 4. Different autofocus modes. AFS, autofocus single. Ideal for still scenes such as portraits, landscapes, or still life. AFC, autofocus continuous. Suited for scenes with moving subjects like sports photography or active children and pets. AFA, autofocus automatic. Allows the camera to switch between AFS and AFC based on scene characteristics. 5. Manual, focus. If opting for manual focus, use the lever on the front of the camera to switch to manual mode. Adjust focus manually using the focus ring on the lens until the desired sharpness is achieved. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Remember to choose the appropriate autofocus mode based on your shooting scenario to ensure sharp and crisp images.